Lemonade is a refreshing drink made primarily from lemons, water, and sugar. The origins of lemonade can be traced back to ancient Egypt and the Mediterranean region. Origins: Ancient Egypt. The first known lemonade-like drink dates back to around 1000 AD in Egypt, where a beverage called qatarmizat was made from lemon juice, sugar, and water. This drink was popular among Egyptians and was likely introduced to them through trade with the Middle East. Mediterranean region. Lemons were first cultivated in the Mediterranean region, particularly in countries like India, China, and Southeast Asia before being spread to other parts of the world by traders. The lemon eventually became popular in Europe during the Middle Ages. Spread to Europe, France. In the 17th century, lemonade became popular in France. The first lemonade vendors appeared on the streets of Paris in 1630, selling the drink from tanks on their backs. This version of lemonade was made with sparkling water, lemon juice, and honey. England. Lemonade gained popularity in England as well, particularly in the 18th and 19th centuries. It became a common summer drink, and both carbonated and non-carbonated versions were enjoyed. North America, United States. Lemonade was brought to North America by European settlers, where it became a staple of summer refreshments. The American version is typically made with still water, non-carbonated, and is often sweeter than its European counterparts. Overall, lemonade has evolved from its ancient origins into a global favorite, with variations in recipes depending on regional tastes and available ingredients. Lemonade can have several effects on the body, both positive and negative, depending on its ingredients and how it's consumed. Here's how lemonade can impact your body. Positive effects. Hydration. Lemonade is primarily made of water, which helps keep you hydrated, especially in hot weather. Staying hydrated is crucial for maintaining bodily functions, including digestion, circulation, and temperature regulation. Vitamin C. Lemons are rich in vitamin C, an antioxidant that boosts the immune system, promotes healthy skin, and aids in the repair of body tissues. Vitamin C also helps with the absorption of iron from plant-based foods. Digestive health. The citric acid in lemons can stimulate the production of digestive juices, potentially aiding in digestion. Some people believe that the acidity of lemonade can help with indigestion or heartburn, though this varies from person to person. Kidney stone prevention. Lemonade, especially when made with real lemon juice, can help prevent kidney stones. The citric acid in lemons increases urine volume and urine pH, creating a less favorable environment for the formation of kidney stones. Detoxification. While the concept of detox is debated, some believe that the antioxidants and citric acid in lemons can help the body eliminate toxins. Lemonade is often part of detox diets, though scientific support for these claims is limited. Negative effects. Sugar content. Many commercial lemonades are high in added sugars, which can lead to weight gain, increased blood sugar levels, and a higher risk of developing conditions like diabetes, heart disease, and tooth decay. Homemade lemonade can be made with less sugar. Acidic nature. The acidity of lemons can erode tooth enamel over time, leading to increased sensitivity and a higher risk of cavities. Drinking lemonade through a straw and rinsing your mouth with water afterward can help minimize this effect. Possible heartburn. While lemonade can aid digestion for some, the acidity might trigger heartburn or acid reflux in others, especially if consumed in large quantities or on an empty stomach. Blood sugar spikes. If your lemonade is high in sugar, it can cause rapid spikes in blood sugar levels, which might be problematic for people with diabetes or those trying to manage their blood sugar. Conclusion. Lemonade can be a refreshing and beneficial drink when consumed in moderation, especially if made with fresh lemons and minimal sugar. However, it's important to be mindful of its sugar content and acidic nature to avoid potential negative effects. Thank you for watching my new video. Please share, subscribe, like, and don't forget to click the notification bell for my updated new video.